Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Luma AI account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Luma AI app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Home, Create and your profile. Tap on your profile, then go to top left corner where you're gonna find your settings option. Tap on it, then tap on your user icon or the username from the menu that just appeared from the bottom of the screen. Now there you can see options like username, change username, email, sign out and delete account. Select delete account from there and tap on delete account from the screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete your Luma AI account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.